Hey there, team. Amanda here. Let's talk about how we can foster open communication in our teams without just using awkward icebreakers. Give me 5 minutes and I'll show you how to build a team where everyone feels safe to speak up, share their ideas, and actually listen to each other. And remember why we want to do that. It is so crucial that we create an environment where everyone is involved, everyone is able to collaborate, because that actually leads to not only teams that are synergistic and work really well together, they actually want to be at work, and it leads to better outcomes from a business perspective. Because when you got everyone firing on all cylinders, they're happy doing the work they're doing, everything comes together. Now, team, the common mistakes that I see out in the wild, most of us will try to force communication with, cringy icebreakers, team building games, the anonymous suggestion box that just gathers dust rather than actual feedback. And, meetings where the loudest voices are the ones that get heard and the ones that actually get decisions happening, or their input is the decision that gets made. So the result, silence. People stay guarded, their ideas go unheard, and we're not putting ourselves in the best position to win. This fails because communication, effective communication, doesn't happen if we don't have trust. And if your team doesn't feel safe about being honest, or if they think their input won't be heard or it doesn't matter, no incentive on earth is going to fix that. Now, the fix: psycho-social and psychological safety. Now, you would have heard this a lot out in the wild at the moment, but here's the thing. Let me make it really simple. Teams thrive, people in teams thrive when they know that them being honest won't get them punished, and when their ideas, no matter how small or how out there or how different, they're going to be respected. So let's talk about, now that we know that, let's talk about how you can get started. As a leader, it's so important that you model vulnerability. Show that it's okay to admit that you make mistakes and ask for feedback, and get the team involved, knowing that you're still a human and you still want to be better, and that they can help you to be a better human. Ask better questions. So instead of saying, hey, did you get that? Ask them, what's your take on this? That'll help you to spark discussion, which is really, really powerful. Next thing I'll say is make sure that everyone has a voice. And there's ways that you can do that without just being, in a meeting room. You can use tools like shared collaboration documents or breakout groups so that everyone feels included and everyone is able to have their voice heard. I've seen this play out in real time. Now, we didn't take actual data around this, but we changed the way that we were structuring meetings in one of the organizations that I was working with. And we did move from everyone just being in the room to smaller breakout groups. And we were very strategic about how we put the humans together so that the less likely to speak up voices were all heard. And we were getting some red hot ideas from these people that wouldn't normally put their thoughts on the table. So think creatively, think about how you can create the right environment for everyone's voice to be seen, heard, and understood. Now, team, if you'd like some extra support around this, we here at Imaginate have you covered. You can download our Team Trust Playbook for quick tools to foster open communication. It's free, it's actionable, and it's your shortcut to making things happen and to a stronger team. Ready to make it happen? Take these tips in the video, start today, and get a copy of the Team Trust Playbook. Stay awesome, and I will catch you in the next video.